Hello my friends, today we will make 3 things that can be sold well and quickly, or give you to your loves and friends for the holiday. I wish you good viewing and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and write your comments. Thank you. Let's go! At this stage I'm driving the lathe of the future figure that I will later be carrying out. I forgot to mention that this is a Canadian maple and it's denser and more resistant to the stretching or tearing than oak. You This was a very interesting project that didn't work out for me. I took a piece of tooth that was lengthwise and decided to put it through a kind of machine to create groove again. Actually, there's nothing complicated about this project. It's just regular rubber that I coated with wax oil and it will hold well. It turned out ugly, but just an experience and an example for you and can be done. Whoever guesses it, leave a comment and will be interesting. I have a slice of wood, a disc. Take any slice, a slice of any tree, Of course, if you have an inexpensive $30 router, apply a roller, set a depth of 20 millimeters and go over the slice. Surprisingly, this is much easier that of the large industrial machine that I used before in this video. And this is the simplest project that a school child can do.